Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create an account on Shakepay. So let's get started. So to create an account on Shakepay, you have to follow these easy steps. First, you have to go here and then you have to search for the Shakepay like this. Go to shakepay.com and then you can click on get started. So from here you can choose a username, then your email, password, then you can click on sign up and then you can register and then your Shakepay will be on. So this is how to create an account on Shakepay, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.